The Terrain Material panel allows for choosing from many gradient color sets for rendering the current terrain in color. The Colorset Creator allows creating new custom gradients for terrain color rendering. This is a quick overview of the Colorset Creator. Choose a preset or custom color set item from the drop-down. Preset color sets cannot be modified. Four custom color sets are provided, and the Open and Save buttons allow for saving an unlimited number of color set files. Click on the Copy button to copy the current color set to the clipboard to use as a base for a new color set. Choose a custom item and click on the Paste button. Modify the Start Color spin controls to change the starting gradient color. Modify the End Color spin controls to change the ending gradient color. Drag the gradient index nodes to change the locations of the color gradients. Double-click on the Index Node panel to add a new index node at the mouse location. Change the to and from colors at the currently selected node using the color spin controls. Color duplicate buttons are provided beneath each color spin control group to allow for quick transfer of gradient color information. Click on the Apply button to save the current color set gradient custom item.